Good morning, everyone. It's time to tackle the clutch master cylinder and slave cylinder. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. We'll see. I probably just cursed myself, you know? Look under here. There's the slave cylinder. Looks like I need a 13 millimeter. There we go. Okay, well there's my issue. The slave cylinder is leaking. So we got to remove the dash knee bolster. There's the two nuts we need to get to. Look like 15 maybe. I don't know, hard to see in the dark. Let's see here. Yeah, they kind of look like 15. We'll check 13 first and then go from there. Alright, so the two bolts that hold the clutch master cylinder to the firewall are 14 millimeter. Of course, I found that out after trying the 15. I'm sure there's a proper tool for this. But that worked. Let's see here what's that plug into. That plugs into that. Okay. That's that sensor. I got the sensor disconnected from the wire. That's the neutral safety switch. That was one bolt, or one nut, I should say. And that's the other nut. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it, but that's how I did it. There's now the fun part. Fishing this back down. That's just fabulous. Of course that went on the wrong side. Shoot. Hang on here, there. Hey, that looks better. Yeah. Okay. I think I got it where I need it. Maybe. Alright. We're getting there. All right, so got that in. Looks pretty good. Let's see what happens, shall we? All right, let's try this. Oh man, that feels good. Like it should. Well, that's going to do it for this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't, do subscribe. It's free to you guys, and it helps me a lot. Anyway, I will see you later.